Welcome to another C programming tutorial. In this video, we will discuss about the if-else-if and the switch statement in C programming language. We will discuss when to use which one. So in the tutorial about the if-else-if, we have discussed about a program where we have a vowel character in a variable and we have to say which vowel character it is. So what we have done is we have used the if-else-if conditional statement and we have displayed the vowel character. Now here what we are doing is we are comparing the value present in a variable with some fixed values. So all the vowel characters are known, so we can say all the possible values the variable can contain. For example, this vowel variable can contain is known at the compile time, and that's why what we can do is we can write the same program using the switch statement. For example, here I have this vowel variable with the vowel character, and then I have used the switch statement and I have mentioned the case values. So all the possible values that can be stored in this vowel variable are known at the compile time. Here I have checked for the uppercase and lowercase character by combining the cases like this, and then I have executed the set of statements for each particular case. The thing is, we can use the switch statement whenever we know the possible values the expression can produce at the compile time. Let us say if these values were coming from a variable at runtime after evaluating some expression, then we can't use the switch statement, but we can use the else if conditional statement. So when comparing here, instead of specifying the values like we have done here, it can be a variable. The value can come from an expression evaluated at runtime which is stored in a variable, and we can compare that here in this if-else-if. But we can't do that with the switch statement. Now another thing is, in some situations where we have to compare the range of values, for that we can't use the switch statement, but we can use the if-else conditional statement. For example, here I have written a program where we store the user's mark in a variable and then we have to display the grade. For example, if the marks is above 90, grade A. If it is less than 90, above 80, then we will say grade B, and like that. So in this particular scenario, what we are doing is we are comparing this value with a range of values, and we can't do this with the switch statement. Although there is a range based switch statement available in GCC compiler, but it is not available in the standard C, and that's why I'm not going to discuss about that in this particular series. So whenever we know the fixed values an expression can produce during the compile time, we can use the switch statement. Otherwise, we can use the if-else-if conditional statement and we can write the program. Now I recommend you guys to write these three programs and you will get a better understanding of this. If you guys get any doubt, then you can post a comment. I'll try to help. So this is it guys for this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.